beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden and Happy New Year to you all. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to all of our returning subscribers for being here with us throughout the year, and all of our new subscribers, welcome for hanging out with us. It's been a lot of fun and I really appreciate y'all and I love you guys, so thanks for being here with us. Tonight we are going to play with some of my favorite colors, and we're going to do a wandering straight pour, and we're going to try to get that snake belly effect that I like so much. So that's what we're going to play with. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors. And let me show you those colors because they're so pretty. The first one we are using here is Golden's Permanent Violet Dark, one of my absolute favorites. This is all mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. Nice and thick tonight, leaving a mound on a mound before it sinks into itself. So that's the Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. This one is Golden's Prussian Blue. Lovely, lovely, rich and elegant, just dreamy, delicious. Golden's Prussian Blue. This one is one of the new Liquitex Metallics colors. This is Metallic Blue, which I really, really like. It's very, very pretty when it dries. Super shiny, super sparkly, very metallic, very cool stuff. This one is Amsterdam Pearl Blue, which I think is going to look amazing with those blues and that darker purple violet-y color. That's Pearl Blue. And then I have some titanium white from Amsterdam also. Okay, so we're going to use the big huge tub because I want that wider snake belly in the sides. I also have some more titanium white here, which I'm going to pour a slug of this in the bottom right now. Okay, so we're going to pour a generous amount of this in the bottom first. Okay, now we're going to come in with some of our colors. We're going to start with that beautiful Prussian Blue. And then we're going to put some of the Pearl Blue. Violet Dark. And now we're gonna put some metallic blue. Use some more white. And then we're gonna do that again. Prussian Blue. Metallic blue. Some white. Prussian. Use it all. Keep it. And Pearl Blue.
How big is that canvas?
24 by 30.
Looks like a lot of paint.
Not as much as you think. This is the equivalent of 2 big 16-ounce cups, which is what I would normally put on there. I'm just doing it in 1 cup instead of 2. Might have a little bit extra, but I'm okay with that. Okay. I'm just going to end this with the rest of the Prussian Blue. Put the rest of this on top of here too. Okay. So we have our white here. Just put down a little bit of a runway with this. Okay, we're gonna kind of go across the center. I guess that's not much of a runway, is it? Oh well, it's all right. We don't need it anyhow.
Plenty of Amsterdam.
Huh?
Plenty of titanium.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be the flow extender. Well, you're right. Just put a little bit of that down. So it can kind of easy. Okay. Just this way, so you can see it that way. All right. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go.
Je suis prête.
We're gonna do a wandering straight pour, staying close to the canvas, and hopefully getting that beautiful snake belly. Okay. That's the cool stuff. Okay. Yay, it worked. That makes me happy. Okay. We can put a little bit of this around here. A little bit around here. This is cool. I'm happy. All right. Let's kind of move this around a little bit.
That is tasty.
That's pretty cool. I like that actually. That's drippy. Okay. So you think we should leave it there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. I like this. I like it a lot. I love that snake belly with all the cells popping up through it. And I love that we have just a little bit of fingerlings on both corners, which kind of balances. This is really like psychedelic and trippy looking, which is cool. I love this where there's a little more white. You see like these just sort of veins of warmer pinkish color. Kind of very blue over here, and I hope this dries with enough contrast. That's my only concern. But I do like the slot. I think it's really neat. So let's give this a torch. What I really love about this in here, all of these different color cells that are popping through with like different rings around them. That one's really cool. These are all really, really pretty. So I expect it to sell up some more as it dries, but I think this is awesome and is going to look really, really neat when it's dry. So I will show you this one when it is dry, along with last week's painting, and we'll be right back. Thanks for hanging out with us. Cool. Okay, here we are a few days later with dried results. This one took a little bit longer to dry because it has been raining here and it's still raining right now. But this one came out pretty cool. I love this snake belly part in the middle. Very, very cool stuff. All in through here with all these multitudes of cells. And then we have these very cool fingerlings on the sides and edges. Pretty cool stuff. Can you tilt it around a little bit, Joey? This one does have the pearl blue. Maybe try up and down a little bit. There you go. Come down. That's it. So you definitely see that shifting happening, which is kind of cool. Go up and down again, honey. And go down. There you go. Get a lot. Stay right there for a sec. That's really cool. So this one was awesome. I really like this almost pleated center, the snake belly. Very, very cool stuff. Very dramatic. Very bold. Those fingerlings are really awesome. And I like the flow. I like the movement. Cool piece. So this one was a lot of fun. I do want to show you one other one. Let me go grab it real quick. Okay, so this one was from a couple of weeks ago that I didn't have dried results to show you. This was the transparent base coat that we used, but I also used a cup of purple drips around the corners. And while it's kind of cool, there's a couple of things that I'm not crazy about. Right along here, you can sort of see the edge where the paint puddle was, on this side mostly. But on the other hand, I do really like the edges where the purple is. I think it looks really, really cool. So I think that for the transparent base coat pours, using a different color flow extender may not be the best idea. But we'll have to play with that some more. But this one came out pretty neat also. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful new year full of love and happiness and prosperity and good health and lots of fun paint and wonderful art that you've created. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you guys real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.